Top 10 Best Free Video Editing Software, Features, Capabilities, and User-Friendliness. Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 10 best free video editing software options available, complete with a detailed breakdown of their features, capabilities, and user-friendliness. iMovie, this is a free video editing software exclusive to Mac users. It offers a simple, user-friendly interface, making it great for beginners. With iMovie, you can add music, sound effects, and basic transitions to your videos. Shotcut, this free, open-source video editing software works on Windows, Mac, and Linux platforms. It has a wide range of features, including support for multiple video formats, audio editing capabilities, and a variety of visual effects. Blender, this free, open-source software is not only a 3D animation tool, but also a powerful video editor. Blender offers advanced features like motion graphics, visual effects, and compositing. It may take some time to master, but it's a great option for those looking for a comprehensive video editing software. Film Express, this free video editing software has a comprehensive set of visual effects tools and advanced color correction features. It also supports 360-degree video editing and offers a user-friendly interface. OpenShot, this is another free, open-source video editing software option that works on Windows, Mac, and Linux platforms. It offers basic features like video cutting, trimming, and resizing, along with advanced features like visual effects and 3D animation.